How are you all doing? Hope you all are doing fine, children. So today we welcome back to the English session again. Our agenda for today is we will be writing STUD words, and we will write about prepositions in the notebook. We had already done it in the workbook. Today we will learn in the notebook, and we will do in the card also. Okay? So first everybody take out your class workbooks. First we are writing sir words. In the margin write down sir, words. Okay? So, S-O-A-P. So. S-O-A-P. So. S-L-A-T-E. Slate. S-L-A-T-E. Slate. S-O-A-P. So. S-L-A-T-E. Slate. After this, leave the whole page, children, and turn to the next page. You have to read and write these two words in the whole page. Okay? T-E-E-T-H. Teeth. Teeth. T-E-E-T-H. Teeth. T-O-W-E-L. Towel. Towel. T-E-E-T-H. Teeth. T-O-W-E-L. Towel. Next. Leave the last page again for words and then go to the next page. U-P. Up. U-P. Up. leave the place again children, leave the page again. When we go to the next page. Once again I am repeating SOAP, soap, SLATE, slate, TEETH, teeth, TOWEL, towel, UP, up, UNIFORM, uniform. Okay? The next page, the B words. Violin. Violin. Okay, children? Yes. Now after this we will be writing the prepositions. Leave the place for B words, writing that, read the whole page. In, on, under, behind. In, on, under, behind. T-H-E, the, R-A-T, rat, I-S, is, O-N, on, T-H-E, the, M-A-T, mat. The rat is on the mat. Where is the preposition, children? So we should underline on. The frog is behind the log. The frog is behind the log. If something is down or below something, you will write it is under the. Suppose if ball is under the bed, you will write the ball is under the bed. Bed kinda undi ante under the bed, right? The cat is under the cot. The cat is under the cot. The R-A-T, rat, I-S is O-N, on, T-H-E, the, M-A-T, mat. The rat is on the mat. Where is the preposition? On. Right. O-N, on. T-H-E, the, M-A-N, man, I-S is, I-N, in, T-H-E, the, V-A-N, van. The man is in the van. I-N, in is the preposition. What is the preposition? I-N, in. T-H-E, the, F-R-O-G, frog, I-S is, B-E-H-I-N-D, behind, T-H-E, the, L-O-G, log. The frog is behind the log. B-E-H-I-N-D, behind. T-H-E, the, C-A-T, cat, I-S is, U-N-D-E-R, under, T-H-E, the, C-O-T, cot. The cat is under the cot. U-N-D-E-R, under. U-N-D-E-R, under. So what are the prepositions here, children? I-N, in. O-N, on. B-E-H-I-N-D, behind. U-N-D-E-R, under. Right? On, in, on, under, behind. But mostly we will use in and on. Right? The chalks are in the bowl. Duster is on the table. Okay? Now everybody take out your Cordova books. Page number 14, children. On, O-N, on, or I-N, in. See the pictures and complete the sentences using on or in. Where is the cat? The cat is on the mat. The cat is on the mat. Where is the hen? It is in the pen. The hen is in the pen. I-N, in. The bird is dash the tree. Where is the bird? On the tree. O-N, on. The bird is on the tree. The wall is dash the glass. The water is dash the glass. The water is in the glass. Water is in the glass. The aeroplane is dash the sky. The aeroplane is in the sky. The aeroplane is in the sky. Cat is on the mat. Hen is in the pen. Bird is on the tree. Water is in the glass. Aeroplane is in the sky. Okay, children? So, complete the STUV words and finish these prepositions and read the prepositions and finish Cordova book, page number 14. Okay, children? So, that's it for today in the English session. Take care, children. We'll meet again. Bye.